What's the meaning of bumper car? Bumper car. Bumper car.
Bumper car. Bumper car. A bumper car is a type of amusement ride that consists of small electric cars with rubber bumpers on the front and back. The goal of the ride is to drive around and collide with other cars without getting hurt, as the rubber bumpers absorb most of the impact. The result of riding a bumper car is a thrilling and fun experience for riders of all ages. It allows them to feel the excitement of driving while also enjoying the controlled chaos of bumping into others, without the danger of serious injury. Riders may feel a bit dizzy or disoriented after the ride, but overall they are left with a memorable and enjoyable experience.